our Smart Cities track. I'm Larry O'Brien. I'm one of the Smart Cities team members here at ARC. And thanks for sticking around. I don't think you'll regret it. We have some very good presenters and panelists today. I have a few introductory slides just to get things kicked off. If we could pull those up, that'd be good. So this is an emerging space for ARC as well, as I think for much of the world right now, smart cities. And one of the challenges of smart cities is there's no single definition of what a smart city is, right? That's one of the things that we've kind of struggled with at ARC as well. I think probably the best way to put it is it's really a system of systems. You know, my background's in process control and automation, and you know, we have some of these issues too, where we have a lot of different sensors and a lot of different systems that cover a lot of different applications, and I think we see this same thing in smart cities, you know, where we have systems dedicated to smart lighting or traffic control or building automation or what have you, you know, as well as a ton of devices and various networking technologies. So to me, one of the big challenges of this industry and you know, really having a true smart city strategy is being able to consolidate all this data and turn it into useful information that's also actionable, you know, by the people that are using this information. So we really see smart cities as a system of systems that's made up of a lot of different components. And of course, at the top, we have, you know, smart city and IoT platforms. These are some of the application sectors for smart cities that ARC sees. We don't cover all of these sectors, but we actually cover many of them. We've done reports on, you know, smart utilities and smart grid, smart lighting systems, smart buildings, logistics systems, and so forth. So again, we're sort of compounding this issue of complexity, right, with a number of different application areas, a number of different systems, and a number of different vendors too. And this is one of my colleagues, Alex Chath, actually did a report on smart lighting a couple of years ago, and this is a innovator and vendor market map for smart lighting, and you can see this is just so many suppliers out there. You know, it's really a nascent marketplace with many, many suppliers and a lot of room for consolidation. So with that, oh, and one more slide, my mistake. This is sort of our view of the smart city technology stack. Also put together by my colleague Alex Chatha, who's here in the back of the room today. If you want to speak to Alex later, he's also on our smart cities team. You know, if you were here the other day and you saw Andy Chatha's presentation on IoT platforms, right, that can be kind of tough to sort through with all the various, you know, application and service platforms and so forth. And we've tried to do the same thing here with smart cities, where we have obviously services and various applications and smart city platforms and you know, different mechanisms for connectivity and edge devices and so forth. And of course, cybersecurity, which is an essential part of smart cities. So with that very brief introduction, I'd just kind of like to move on